Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use margin on etrade. Margin trading lets you borrow money from etrade to buy more securities than your cash balance alone would allow. Essentially, your current investments act as collateral for this loan, significantly increasing your buying power. This can open up new trading opportunities and potentially amplify your returns, but it's important to understand the mechanics involved. To begin using margin, you first need to meet etrade requirements. A minimum equity of $2,000 is necessary to open a margin account. When you buy securities on margin, you'll typically need to cover 50% of the purchase price with your own funds as initial margin. After that, a maintenance margin, often around 25%, must be held to avoid a margin call. Margin trading offers compelling benefits, like increased buying power and the ability to pursue advanced strategies such as short selling. This leverage can significantly amplify your returns when the market moves in your favor. However, it also carries substantial risks. If the market turns against you, losses can be magnified, potentially exceeding your initial investment. Be prepared for margin calls, which demand additional funds or asset liquidation. Effective margin management is crucial for success. Regularly monitor your account's margin balance and equity to stay ahead of potential issues. Be aware of etrade margin interest rates, as these can impact your overall profitability. Leverage etrade available tools, such as the margin calculator, to plan your trades and understand their impact. Finally, consider maintaining a cash buffer to help meet any unexpected margin calls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.